There's going to be a massive change coming toward the end of the summer regarding banking for immigrants in the United States, and this has all been released in a May 19th memo called Restoring Integrity to America's Financial System.
So alright, viewers and subscribers, you can see right there, so big changes are come for immigrant banking system in America. Me tell you no people, you see me, this is good information, so we are going to put the rest of the video right there, so I'll watch it and all these things. All of other, this is for the immigrants only. Now I want them to have them social security, them bank account, them are work and all these things. So my owner, we are work too, we are work, do construction, and look, working here and there and all these things, and I collect money through different payment method like Venmo, Cash App, PayPal and all these things. Them I go tighten upon this too as Zelle. You see me, them I start track them things there. So these are good information, and these are for immigrants them where you know we get them bank account through a system there where you know forget your bank account through. You see me, I say meaning you don't have no social security. You get to me, I say people, you see me, you get a bank account with I-10. You see me, I say I-10 bank account. So basically them people, they know them are going to take with their season of money and all these things and all them something. So you better watch a video, listen to a video and try to you can scrape out upon money and put it on a mattress. You feel basically, I think I get serious on one part.
There's going to be a massive change coming toward the end of the summer regarding banking for immigrants in the United States, and this has all been released in a May 19th memo called Restoring Integrity to America's Financial System.
Restoring integrity to American financial system. Jesus Christ.
What this executive order does is it lays out the aim of restricting unauthorized work use of America's banking system, meaning people without work permits or without social security cards being able to work and receive funds or receive government funds, which really doesn't even actually happen, but of course they included that in the order. What this memo says is that the Treasury Department will be creating instructions to banks by mid-July telling them what they have to go in and look for and audit, and they are going to be flagging accounts where people are opening an account without a social security card. So if you have an I-10, for example, those accounts will probably be flagged, and they will be looking at people who are receiving lots of income through peer-to-peer payments like Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, and of course a lot of contractors receive payments. People who clean houses, people who do landscaping, people who do construction and own their own business often get paid this way. That doesn't necessarily, of course, mean that they're not authorized to work, but these are going to be things that will be flagged by the banks per the instructions of the Treasury Department. Then a month after that, actual regulations are expected to go into effect. So what does all of this mean? No changes between May and August, or it's June already, but June and August. If you are an undocumented worker who has a bank account, who uses a lot of peer-to-peer payments or receives a lot of peer-to-peer payments, you're going to want to start thinking about how this could be impacted by these new regulations. And it would be a good time to meet with a lawyer and think through how you could protect yourself and your money, because ultimately funds are expected to be seized by the government and returned to the government rather than returned to the person whose funds were in that account, which is a very big deal.
Very big deal. Do you hear that? Hey, you better thank me, you know. You see me, I say, cause some of you over there have a bank account catch up and I know say, yo, you don't have social security, you know, they get it through a local situation with Obama with Biden when they run across the border and all these things right now. Them are going to slap down them bank account there. You see me, I say, and a lot of people out there really do get peer transaction. Venmo, PayPal, Zelle, Cash App, they must start watch them payment there. You see me? So basically, you know, you go over somebody go do one babysitting work. You see me, I say, yes, all right, but me I go do babysitting. Them say, all right, pay me through the Zelle. Pay me send it through the Cash App. What do you think them do? They must start check that now. You go do some construction, you go fix one toilet bowl, you go fix one do some tiling. over there, so them say yo, them a pay through Zelle, Venmo. Them thing they are get crazy now. So America, them say them thing I go infected in
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Effective in a must say August. You see me, I say, so right now people don't have enough time to stay, so now create out all the money we don't have in our bank account right now and stop putting money in our bank account right now, people. Jesus Christ, America make immigrant life miserable more and more, people. Eh? You know see how that go on? Excuse me, them a make immigrants' life get miserable more than more and more and more. They don't want you still relax, chillax. They don't want no little bit of comfortableness for you in our country, my friend. So right now you have your cash up and that's the only place you can get pay through, cause remember you never have no social security for work and all these things and are, but then again, maybe you don't have no work permit, cause how can somebody open a cash app without social security? Well, them are track. So basically then people, them are go track immigrants where have a social security too, where open cash app and Zelle where I get payment through, where them now run paying up but get payment, basically them now paying no tax then. So you are go do a plumbing work, you are go do a construction work, you not get no check where you go cash a check and you know then can take tax out it and all these things, people. You feel me? I say you them pay you through your Zelle. You see me I say? Your cash app. So them a start watching. So them a say, alright, this a man here, oh him now we not see him pay get no pay no tax. And every month we see a certain amount of money I run through his account and all these things, and we not see like him have no 9 to 5 connect to his name. You see me I say, people? So basically, you know, you basically like under the table you work, you know. You work under the table and I collect your local funds and all these things, and them a pay through them type of different payment method there and all these things. So now them say, yo, the government them realize say, yo, them can't make no food off of that way there. Them not get no money off of that. Them a lose out through tax and all these things. So them a go strict down all them things there. And them realize now say, yo, mostly like immigrants. Them a say I do it. When they check out the Americans, I do that shit. You know what Americans are work right now and they don't pay no tax. And them a pay get the money through them thing. You see me I say? So probably why people, so all the people them over there we obtain bank account. I don't know how can you obtain a bank account without a social security, guys. So if you know, make me hear in the comment section if this is possible, because the lady said them attract people where have bank account without a social security or a work permit. I don't know how that how is that is possible. So basically they say actually I-10. You feel me? I say the I-10 now. What is the I-10 when you come through the border from them time there and there was open bank account for immigrants and all these things where they can store their money and send them money. Maybe those type of bank account when they really, those type of bank account you cannot get no loan through those bank account. You feel me? I say those are immigrants bank account and all these things. Maybe it's those type of bank account they're talking about. You get to me? I say, but people right now, evil people and then greed card right now, anybody right now, them from the start, say them a check immigrant bank account, every bank account I get checked. So you have to be careful. So basically, if you work a 9 to 5, and your money pass through your bank, well, that's fine. But if you doing under the table work, you could have a green card or whatever, and you know say you go do under the table work. Don't tell the people them paying on a cash app and a Zelle. Tell them say a cash app work for, cause if tell them if you just pay your cash. Yeah. Yeah, just tell them to pay your cash. Because if you run that money through the bank account, to the cash app, the Zelle and the Venmo and all these things, people, that's when they're gonna check it. You feel me? I say, if you know, you can't do that enough. You know, everything, no changes now make yet. You feel me? I say the changes now start till in summer. Them say July or something like that, mid-July. All these changes are going to start. The year liar lady said. So she had said, best right now, if you don't know I go have problem, try to get a liar right now. So all these things you have to go try to get a liar to see how a liar can guide you with the money because they hear what them say. Once them do all of that and them seize the money, them a take the money and them a pass back the money to the government. So you now get your money. So you have all 150 to 130,000 sit down on your cash app. I sell where you save up, you know, and they can't show no ways or me. Boy, everything with this money thing you change up people. Yeah? Jano star. Big problem for immigrants' bank account coming shortly. Every day is something. New people every day. And them a show about the thing them on a little quiet scene, you know. You feel me? I say that's why you know have to give thanks to a content creator them, a YouTuber them, and all these things, people, vloggers them and so on style, because none of them look at certain things that people you would never see if you not search for social media to see what go on. Cause me I do my regular social media searching in the morning. And I see the video and I say, yo, but when me look on it, this is an important video because a lot of immigrants watching my channel. You feel me? I say a lot of elderly people too are watching channel as immigrant. You feel me? I say people and them have family. A lot of them when we say immigrants, we don't have to say illegal immigrants. We are talking about like immigrants that migrate, get them papers, but them have family member who is illegal immigrants. So that's why they see them watching these channels because they want to share the link, tell their family so them can see what's going on. So this video right now gonna make your family save a lot of money. You feel me? I say because if you don't do the right thing, all of the money are gonna get taken away, disappear and gone one part. You get to me? I say people. And you know when government sees money, you know when government sees money, hard to get back that shit. You feel me? It's hard to get back that shit. So this are one big changes where you see them are come with. So guys, wanna share up a video, want to share out the video here. This video I want to share it out to make some people know what go on, what's to come. You feel me? I say, cause this a video here, a fresh video. This change is gonna be happening in midsummer. You get to me? I say? So I want to share it out and pass it around to the family. And remember if you do it, you just like, share, and comment on the video, guys. You see me? I say? I make YouTube share it because we want the people them, the immigrants them to know what going on. Cause people, me I tell you, if you lose all your money, man, you know, not easy something, plus you're illegal again and don't go through struggle. You don't fight only for stress and child and tribulation over this in America now. Now them a come for lock off your money source. You can't save your money no way. You feel me? I said no, you all can go through a Western Union as a legal immigrant, go send money. Them don't watch all of that people. So what more they want you to do, people? You know, she said they're just making it hard for you to just pick up yourself and just decide, say, you're watching, take up your ass and come out your yard. You feel me? I say, what you waiting on? You over there save up all this money and all them things that you send back to Jamaica. Then when you quick out the money sees lockdown, can't. You feel me? Yeah. So, if you know what I do. Watch what going on, people. On have to watch, keep and watch this immigration program because these things are getting serious every day. And people, let me tell you the best thing for all have immigration issues, guys. This is not the time for go around and listen to people that do not know what they are talking about. You feel me? I say the best thing you try to go do is try to listen to a liar. You see me, I said, listen to a liar now. Me and the other hand now, me do my research and me understand a little bit about the law as far as the rules and regulation with the immigration. That's why things that I bring over here, people, is positive thing. You feel me? I say it's facts thing. Things that happening, that things that making awareness, that open your eyes, that damn, this thing. You feel me? I say I don't just pick up things and just carry over here just to do all these things because we no work off. Everybody will know me since me I do all the YouTuber them know me all the viewers them will know my YouTube channel for when I went. The female say they know I don't worry about views and all these things. I don't worry about that. I just enjoy what I doing and I like these immigration topic. So I would love to make awareness because I want the people them, especially one them will get deported, if have a little sense say no, say you're watching people getting deported is not the worst thing that happened to you. You feel me? I say that those are long time days when people say, oh, you get deported and all these things and all them things, you come back to Jamaica and all them something that them they are long time days, my friend. You feel me? I say you're getting deported right now, you just have to know, say, yo, you try to go make your life better. It never work out for you, so now you come back to your country, you have to start from square one again. You need back your strength to uplift yourself and move on. You see me? I say to the next chapter. You get to me, I say you experience America. The way me I say, and I like it, it does go America as you enter like a lot of people. A lot of people not even get to go out there on the soil. You see me, they don't even go outside. So the ones that they get locked up on the airport or they get catch a bad or something, people. Once you go over America, you experience America, people. That is enough for you. Don't kill out yourself again. You see me, I say, you know, you come back to Jamaica now, you have to just do it right down there and move forward. You see me, I say, people, yeah. So I'm not stress out to yourself about a deportation. I'm getting deported. It just weighs out now. You know, you have the time you have stress, boy, you get deported. The time you figure out how you going to maintain yourself down at Jamaica or whatever country you're going back to. You get to me, I say, people, yeah, I saw you have to do it right now. So I want to share the video. These are some good information. All of my supporter them, I really supporter them. You feel me? I say, I know somebody where I get deported or somebody where have immigration issue and all these things, somebody will have bank account problem. Share this thing because the money I go get take away. You feel me? I say, I will not want that. So big up for yourself, love and love alone. Stay tuned for the next one. And guess what? It's the weekend. Guys, full joy on the weekend. But be safe. Please. From Spotitdon TV.